So in this video, I want to show you how to buy domain name on Ton. So first thing, go to dns.ton. Okay, come here guys. Now dns.ton.org. This is where we are going to buy our domain name. So here is what you should know about Ton domain name. It's like let me say, look at this website right now. It's a domain name. The storm.tg is a domain name. So we want to have our name. So let us I have my defa imam.storm. So that will be our domain name. Okay. So you can be able to link it, access it. If you want someone wants to send you anything on Ton, you can use this address. Okay. So that is what this thing is for. So I've already searched for most of this thing and I think they are taken. So first thing you have to do, connect your wallet. I use Tonekeeper wallet. Import your Tonekeeper wallet from whatever platform you are using before. So import it, connect your wallet immediately. So while doing that one, enter your domain name. Okay. So what is the domain name I'm trying to use? Let me try to use this one. But here is an hack right here. Okay. Let this thing be at least 10 character, because if you are doing small character, the more the money is going to cost you. Okay. Now this one is going to cost me like 10 ton. Okay. This one is going to cost me 10 ton. So this one is going to cost me 10 ton and I don't want that one. So I've even do this for myself. I'm the one that bring this for myself and it's cost me something like that. So let us try to find a new one. So let me go Storm Trading. Let me do that one. Now as you see, I have to even place a bid for this one. Storm Trading, I have to place for this one. So this is like one day, place a bid to start the auction. How should I start an auction? And so I've just decided to just bid for this immediately. I don't want to struggle for myself. So here is it, confirm. And boom, I'm done with that one. Payment complete. Go to Tonekeeper wallet and confirm your transaction. So that is complete. I've already bid this one. Okay. So I can try to go to my domains. Nothing will show right here because I don't have any domain yet. Now let us buy one of the real domains right now. So I'm going to buy this domain which name the 5 characters. The 5 characters. So I don't know why it's kind of putting on my names on auctions. So let us add ChatGPT to give us like at least a 10 character that we can just use to purchase our domain name. So let me write this here. Wait, that I can use for my domain, and it must be 10 words long or more. So let us do that one. What? This is decentralized future. So let me use this one. Let us try this one. Centralized future. Let's try it. It's going to be auctioned. Can you see? It's going to be what? It's going to be auctioned. So oh, I'm talking about 10 characters. 10 characters. What's 10 words? More than 10 characters. So if you buy short words, you are going to token universe. Let us get this one too. It's going to be they are going to auction this one too for us. So token universe. That explorer.ton or three innovators. I think this one looks good for me. This one looks cool for me. Three innovators looks cool. Let me buy another one for this. So I can decide to send it. I think the more these turn, the more the reward has we got. So guys, I'm just spending my turn. See, see. This is what I have left. This is turn left. This is one where I provide for liquidity. And they talk like, I provide 5 tons. Provided 5 tons. I'm swapping this one. No, don't let me swap it. Let me wait. Let me wait. Easy. Easy guys happy. So I think I've placed bidding for this one. And the auction duration is just 1 day. And within 1 day, if none of this person buy this domain, they are going to give it to me directly, and I can be able to access it. So if you're watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.